Hey everyone! Today, we are diving into the captivating world of Armenian art with the renowned artist, Anna Boghiguian, and her exhibition, Weaving Culture. This piece is a stunning exploration of Armenia's rich cultural heritage, but it's so much more than just a traditional art form. It's a journey through time, a reflection of nature, and a commentary on the human experience. So, let's unravel the magic of weaving culture and see why it's a must-watch for any art enthusiast. First things first, Boghiguian's approach to art is truly unique. She takes traditional Armenian rugs and transforms them into something extraordinary. In these rugs, celestial bodies and creatures are no longer hidden in small, geometric motifs. Instead, they become large and figurative, almost like windows into another world. It's like she's given these ancient patterns a new life, making them more accessible and captivating to modern audiences. Now, let's talk about the three acts of weaving culture. The first act is a breathtaking portrayal of Armenia's mountains. The artist uses a stunning array of blues, browns, and purples to create a sense of grandeur and mystery. A massive red sun with yellow rays dominates the landscape, almost like a beacon guiding the viewer through this natural wonder. It's a powerful statement, reminding us of the strength and beauty of Armenia's terrain. The second act is a vibrant garden filled with trees and plants. The centerpiece here is a human figure holding a pomegranate and a snake, a symbol of life and transformation. The storks, a ubiquitous bird in Armenia, add a touch of whimsy and connection to nature. This section feels like a celebration of life, growth, and the interconnectedness of all living things. The third act is where things get really interesting. Here, Boghiguian plays with the idea of the watercolor carpet. The sinuous lines and jumble of colors create a sense of fluidity and movement, almost like a dance. It's a subtle nod to the landscapes of Arshile Gorky, a renowned Armenian-American artist. This section is a beautiful blend of tradition and innovation, showing how Boghiguian is pushing the boundaries of what a carpet can be. What makes weaving culture truly special is Boghiguian's ability to weave together different elements of Armenian culture and history. She takes traditional motifs and gives them a modern twist, making them relevant and engaging for today's audiences. It's like she's breathing new life into an ancient art form, and it's a testament to her skill and creativity. In my opinion, this exhibition is a must-see for anyone interested in art, history, or culture. It's a beautiful blend of tradition and innovation, and it showcases the incredible talent of Anna Boghiguian. So, if you get the chance to visit the National Gallery of Armenia, make sure you don't miss out on this extraordinary piece. It's a journey through time, a reflection of nature, and a celebration of the human spirit. What makes this exhibition even more fascinating is the way Boghiguian uses color and composition to evoke emotion and tell a story. The pastel colors in the celestial scenes create a sense of tranquility and wonder, while the bold, vibrant colors in the garden scenes evoke a sense of life and energy. It's a masterful use of color that enhances the overall impact of the work. In conclusion, weaving culture is a masterpiece that showcases the beauty and depth of Armenian culture. It's a testament to the power of art to transcend time and space, and it's a reminder of the importance of preserving and celebrating our cultural heritage. So, if you're an art lover or simply someone who appreciates beauty and storytelling, I highly recommend checking out Anna Boghiguian's Weaving Culture. It's an experience that will leave a lasting impression and inspire you to see the world through a new lens.